In this video, I will show you how to create a one-page report in Gamma AI. First, I'll click the Create New AI button on my dashboard and select the Generate option. Next, I'll choose Document as the format and change the card count to just one card to ensure the report stays on a single page. I'll type in my prompt, create one-page only report on the cost savings of switching to AI-driven logistics, and then click Generate Outline. The AI generates several sections, so I'll click the merge icon on each subsequent card to pull all that information up into the first card. Now that I have one card total, I'll set the text content to minimal and choose the ash theme for a clean professional look. I'll click Generate and watch as the AI populates the report with a title, key statistics, and case studies. It's organizing all the data into a concise layout that fits perfectly within the single-page format. Once the generation is finished, I'll head to the top of the screen and click Share. I'll select the Export tab and click Export to PDF to save my work. Finally, I'll open the downloaded file to review the finished result. And there you have it. That's the complete process of making a one-page report in Gamma AI.